Oh, Jesus.
Woo!
Hey! Oh!
Please get
he's
doused.
gonna get it. He's gonna get it.
Please get doused. This will be on YouTube. Am I rooting for this? Is that a bad thing?
Is it so bad? Look at they're hugging each other.
He's like,
Please help me.
we're gonna die.
Their mother's right there. We have to wait for them to come. He's a great though. I think we should wait some good stuff like this more often.
Yeah.
Imagine trying to swim in
This
that.
kid.
Trying to swim in that.
Uh-oh.
Where the heck is he going?
Uh-oh.
Oh, he's trying to take a bit. He is going to get it so bad. He's going to get it.
He's like, nope. I kind of hope these kids will get it. Just, I don't want. Oh my gosh. Oh, good dearie me. Oh my gosh.
Hello, Atlantic.
Of ocean and Atlantic. Okay. Wow.
You don't want to get out of the car, right?
No. Already been out of the car.
Okay.
I
Just
don't want to get out back. I don't want to go back out there. I'm scared. What?
Are you a scaredy cat?
I am a scared. I'm
You're
afraid.
scared?
I'm afraid.